Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. In today's video I want to talk to you about how you can mine thorium ore in Hytale. So I've actually tried mining in a few different biomes now, and I can tell you by far the best place to find thorium for me has definitely been in the desert. Interestingly enough, there are a couple of these NPC mines that get spawned in around the map, and here is one of them. And if we go inside these, they are filled to the brim with rare materials. So if I just carefully make my way down here, I'll just quickly show you as we go into the mine. You can see that we already have some rare materials. There's some silver over there, there's some more silver just there. But if we keep going into the mine, I had already mapped this out a bit, but I'll just show you quickly here. If we come through here, that there is already gold here and thorium, and there is plenty of thorium in this mine. It's definitely one of the better ways to find thorium, I think, is if you go through these NPC mines in the desert. There is so many rare materials and rare earths down here. It's a miner's paradise. And thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial has helped.